As the highly anticipated movie Atrangi Re is set to hit the Disney Plus Hotstar on 24th of December, here we are with the co-producer and director of the film Anand L. Rai and the co-producer again, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, who's also the MD and chairman of T-Series. Hello sir, welcome.
Hi.
As the fans are already thrilled to watch the Atrangi cast of the film, Dhanush, Akshay sir and Sara Ali Khan. So how did you choose the actors together? I mean, what was the reason behind choosing this cast?
See, it's always the script that leads you to the cast, the characters. This film asked for Sara Ali Khan, Dhanush and Akshay sir. And we are very fortunate to get them on board. The film belongs to them. They were apt, they were the first choice, and because we have made the film and we are through with it, I can say we could have find better actors than them.
Despite the age difference between Akshay and Sara, so what was the reason? Like, was it the demand of the story, or like the audience will have to wait for the movie to release for that?
I really want to understand why is this question becoming bigger and bigger day by day. What is it? Is it a problem? I don't know. In a relationship, why are we talking age? First of all, let me clarify. When you'll see the film, it will justify everything. That is one thing. Another thing is enjoy and wait for the story to come.
So various movies nowadays are releasing in theaters. So what was the reason behind opting for an OTT release?
ये तो आप ही बता दो.
So
Actually, we have the thing was कि when there was a lockdown going on, so we have committed this film to an OTT platform, that is Hotstar. And when theaters started opening from Diwali onwards, that time obviously as a creative person and as a director, we wanted कि we should come to theatre. We tried our level best with the OTT platform, but since the film was so good and they were also कि no, now we can't leave the film, it is not going in good taste. So we tried our level best to convince them to take it after the theatre release, like it always happens for all the films. But it didn't happen. So now we are satisfied. We are very happy the way it is coming on Hotstar and the way the promotions are going on. We have promoted the film means like it is coming in theatre. We have not made it a difference like if it's coming on OTT, so we will promote less or something like that. All the actors and everybody has promoted the film to the maximum.
Are we looking forward for the movie to release in theaters later on maybe?
Yes, maybe, but we are releasing in overseas in theaters in many territories. So maybe down the line things are changing now. Means earlier there was only theatre and satellite, then OTT came up. After 60 days, OTT is also performing so good. Maybe after few, it is vice versa also. Okay, we can release after OTT and satellite. We can release in theatre also in India.
Although the soundtrack of the movie composed by Mr. A.R. Rahman is creating a buzz on the internet, the Chaka Chak song to be specific featuring Sara, so how is it like it's trending so much? So what's your take on that?
See, that album is superb. It's very good work by Rahman sir, Ilshad Kamil and Anandji, who has been involved in all the songs. From one to all the songs, and the lyrics which Mr. Ilshad Kamil has written, it's fabulous. The poetry is mind-blowing, and I was just saying that this album will be if some albums are shelf albums which remains in your system and for the music company also forever. Like I had another album, Rockstar, with the same composer and lyric writer. Until today, that album is iconic. I'm pretty sure that this album is going towards that path, and this will also be in our catalog forever, and will keep on like slowly, but it will remain forever.
As Bhushan sir mentioned, you were completely involved in the while making the soundtrack of the film. So how was your experience working with Rahman sir and the entire music team?
It's like with Rahman sir, it's like a blessing, you know. You just not make music, you understand music. You understand the process. You understand the spirituality behind music. So for me, this has been. I'm being fortunate that this is my second film with him after Ranjana. So yeah, like a good student, I have learned a lot. And next time when I go to Rahman sir, I'll be a better director.
As we can see, Sara is performing to Chaka Chak song with several celebrities, and she's been like trending all over the internet. So whose idea was it? So the promotional idea, basically, whose idea was it?
She has so much energy. Okay, you don't have to tell her to give an idea. She does everywhere. Means she was at one agenda also. There also she performed with the choreography, and I think everywhere means she's going. She's performing Chaka Chak. I've seen her performing Chaka Chak in an auto. In everywhere she is performing Chaka Chak. So she has done a fabulous job in promotion of Atrangi Re and the song. And because to promote a song like a music label also, you definitely need this kind of energy from the artist to get the song to the audiences, and that she has done very, very nicely and gracefully and very nicely. Means this song is everywhere today. Means even it's playing in so many. I was just getting a call from my PPL team, that is a public performance team, and in all the weddings this song is being played. So we have hit the sixer with this song. So I'm very happy, and the way she has promoted, it's fabulous.
Sir, as your movies have owned small towns, be it Ranjana or Tanu Weds Manu, so are we looking forward to seeing more of such movies of yours, or will you be experimenting in the future?
I don't know. I think I have been experimenting till now. It's not that I have caught on to the small town. It's like maybe that's the world where I have grown. So my life is revolving around it. For me, it's about the story. It's about the world, and maybe I don't think changing the space is changing the genre. Maybe I can do a horror in a small town. Nobody will tell anything to me on that. That's a change of genre.
What will be that one reason you'd like to give the audience to go and watch the film, as in on OTT?
They must watch because it is about relationship, music, emotion, and above all, it's an Atrangi film. So people will definitely enjoy the film because it's very Atrangi. And whatever questions you are asking about, age gap and all, when you will see the film, everything will be justified and nobody will talk about it.
For me, it's about that madness which we lack now in love. So let's go a little more mad, watch the film and fall in love all over again.
Thank you so much. Thank you for connecting with Republic. And this is Nehal Gautam from Republic World. Thank you.